Namaste. Having introduced GoPals, how do we spread awareness and application of Desi cows? One of the best ways to experience the essence of GoPals is through Goshala events. Right? Goshala is one place where you will get to see Desi cows. So we started conducting events where we invite the city folks, introduce to the Desi breed cows, different breeds, features of Desi cows, and we conduct workshops where they get to see and do the Desi Go products themselves, right? And we invite subject matter experts from Ayurveda background or farming background, where they come and speak and enlighten about the importance of Desi cows, the Gomaya, the Gomudra, and the various products that can be made out of it, which we use in our daily lives, like our personal care, health care, home care products.